Hello, come in, breaker. Alright, buddy. Got your 1x4 fixed. Your tuning cap went out. I just fixed it. That's all I've done. Don't sense turn this box down or anything. It's a really good Toshiba box. I'm going to keep the name covered up. But it's a really good 1x4 Toshiba box, so I'd run it. There was a certain company that had a lot of trouble with these caps right here failing. No big deal. Just part of it. We'll start out looking at 15.5 volts. We'll check it out on that. We're looking straight through SWR to start with. Straight through worldwide with 34 watt drive, okay? 36, 30 something watt drive, about 30, 33, somewhere in there. I'm gonna turn him on and put SWR. Worldwide, 0. 1000 watt slug PP. Worldwide, in the corner. Now we're on 15.5. On the LP. Worldwide, 1000 peak, about 400 some watt average. But, must have my tone cut off. Anyway, worldwide, so 1000. Alright. Let's see. Let's go down to car voltage. 14.1. Alright, on car volts, 14.2. Hello, 1212, 14 volts. 14 volts, PP on the bird. Worldwide, 800 some change on the LP. Worldwide, we're almost 900 peak. Man, it's a good box, and like I said, it's a Toshiba box. There was no way I was going to tear it all apart. The Toshibas are all good. You're up and ready to go, bud. Appreciate the business. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 0 Beavis. Catch you later. Bye-bye.